deep one.
Oh my God.
Is that Ben?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, people of Earth. Here we are in New Jersey where it is, what's the temperature?
Should I look it up?
Look it up, look it up.
Dun dun dun, 12 degrees.
12 degrees Fahrenheit with wind gusts of 25 miles to 50 miles an hour. So that's more like 0 degrees.
Yeah, so let's see. Oh, should I see like actual feels like?
Real feel. Feels like
feels like -8. I don't even know if I've ever seen that. That's really intense.
All right, feels like -8 with the wind. Let's
do this. Ready? At least it's sunny.
It's cold out here. No, not my vitamins. They're frozen. My vitamins are frozen. No, my water. My water.
They're frozen?
My water bottle's ice. Dude, my water bottle's ice.
That's crazy. From yesterday? Frozen.
Yellow light. Oh.
Totally red light.
Good morning, NUB Nation. Here we are. We are on the move right now because I'm so dumb that I left my wetsuit at my house all the way 10 miles south of where we need to be. So here's the scenario today. This does not happen in New Jersey, so it's pretty interesting. We have a storm, as you can tell outside. It's all rainy and stuff. This storm has been blowing hardcore southeast and east wind all night long. So it's 11:11 right now.
11:11, make a wish.
My wish is that the wind's gonna go offshore at noon.
My wish is not about surfing.
Okay, so 12 o'clock today, noon, the wind is gonna go offshore and it's gonna clean up the ocean and we're gonna get like 1 hour maybe of barrels because this system's moving so fast. It's going offshore at noon and then it's whoop, taking off. So that wind's gonna spin, it's gonna go northwest, and we're gonna end up probably with choppy surf again by the end of the day, but we're getting that midday cleanup, and right now the mission is simply this. I gotta get home, I gotta get my wetsuit, and we gotta get to the surf spot because we only have 50 minutes before the wind switches offshore, and it's pretty much a race against time.
50 minutes for what? Like you
50,
can surf?
50.
50 for what?
Until the wind, when the wind goes offshore, that's when the waves are gonna get good.
Oh, but it's not like you have 50 minutes and surfing. You have to get there in 50 minutes, so you have to nail it.
Noon to 2 is gonna be surfable.
Oh, got you. Okay, sorry. I don't know if the followers followed that because I didn't.
Wind goes offshore at noon, but it's gonna be north by about 2 o'clock. That's my claim. It might hold out offshore a little longer than we think, but we're stoked. Wish me luck. We're on the move. Haven't surfed in New Jersey in about 3 weeks, so I'm stoked right now. Thank you guys for being here, and the dream is on. Let's do this. All right, guys, like I described earlier, everything happened really quick. Oh my God, that was the craziest barrel I've ever seen.
Even I know that was.
Okay, everything happened quick. Look at this one. Oh my God.
Flying.
It's really that good.
Oh my God, it really is.
All right, the weather pattern changed really quick. I don't even know what I'm saying right now, but I'm going surfing. All right, so the wind went offshore and we're out here trying to find the dream while we still can. Whew, I'm psyched right now. Dream is on. Wish me luck. Head high barrels for sure. Definitely a shallow sandbar, kind of sketchy, but I'm stoked and I'm out there for the dream. Whew. This is savage, I barely got out. surfed in conditions like this for 3 weeks or more. And I'm saying right now, we don't give ourselves enough credit. Surfing in a 6mm wetsuit with a current, howling offshore winds and waves dumping on a sandbar is one of the hardest things I've ever done. This is insane. And I got 2 waves, 2. So, woo, insane. We're insane. It's on.
I can't film my face because it's way too zoomed, but I will say it's cold. I was just walking and a huge piece of sand hit my eye, and now there's sand on my eye, but I'm still gonna try to film. Literally, girlfriend, look, I'm just filming my face.
Number 3, good one. I just got stuck. Alright guys, we just got back. Surfing was a total gnarly situation. I am 100% not used to that. We were in Florida for 2 weeks and it's just like board shorts and fun on the bond, and then yeah, I haven't really had the experience to surf in New Jersey in a while, so I really got the homegrown, full-blown mountaineer experience. Like, I felt like Bear Grylls out there, like just surviving. But ended up getting a couple waves and I had a lot of fun, so thanks to Jordan for getting some footage on me. Right now, I'm gonna do the age-old trick. What do you mean, what am I doing? I'm doing the age-old trick. A lot of people ask me what I do to attach my GoPro to my body, and here we are, done the session. We're taking the shoelace off of the GoPro. Now we're putting her back in the shoe. Pretty much when I got to the beach today, it was like 50 degrees out, and we're already down now to 31 degrees. And by tonight, when it gets dark, we're gonna get down to 10 degrees. So we're gonna have some seriously gnarly weather here in New Jersey. And tomorrow we're gonna wake up with frigid conditions. So looking forward to seeing what that's gonna treat us like. I saw on the news somewhere that it might get down to about 3. So I don't know how true that is, but definitely getting down to freezing conditions, and it's pretty mind-blowing after being in Florida for like 2 weeks. But we are here, we are living the dream, and thank you guys for all the stoke. We'll see you next vlog for the win.